Think you're an animal expert? 30 exciting challenges, 6 seconds each. 1 point for every correct answer. Let's play! Which animal can freeze solid in winter and still come back to life? The answer is wood frog. It can freeze during winter and thaw back to life in spring. Which animal has fingerprints almost identical to humans? It's the koala. Its fingerprints are so similar to humans that they can even confuse experts. Which animal can't walk backwards? Kangaroos! Kangaroos can't walk backward because of their powerful tail and strong legs. Which animal has the strongest sense of smell? Dogs. Dogs have an incredible sense of smell, thousands of times stronger than ours. Which animal has black skin under its white fur? Polar bears. Polar bears have black skin under their white fur to help absorb heat. Guess the animal. The answer is sea lion. Great job! Which animal squirts blood from its eyes? Regal horned lizard can squirt blood from its eyes to scare predators away. Which animal has the same number of neck bones as humans? Giraffe. A giraffe has only 7 neck bones, just like humans. Which bird gives a pebble as a gift to its partner? Penguins. Male penguins often give a smooth pebble as a gift during courtship. Which bird can fly backwards? Hummingbird. The hummingbird is the only bird that can fly backward. Which animal turns pink because of the food it eats? Yes, flamingos! Flamingos get their beautiful pink color from the food they eat. Find the odd one out! Yes, it's the dog. Dogs are our friendly pets, while the others are wild animals. Which African animal kills more people than lions? Hippopotamus. Hippos may look calm, but they're among Africa's most dangerous animals. Which big cat has the strongest bite? Jaguars! Jaguars have the strongest bite of all the big cats. Which animal has rectangle-shaped pupils? Goats. Goats have rectangular pupils that help them see almost all around. Which animal has eyes bigger than its brain? Correct! An ostrich's eyes are actually bigger than its brain. Which insect tastes with its feet? Butterflies. Butterflies taste with their feet before eating. Memory challenge. Remember where every animal is? Do you remember where the zebra was? Correct! The zebra was in the 4th position. Which animal has the longest tongue? It's the anteater. Its tongue can grow up to 2 feet long. Which animal has special thumb to help hold bamboo? Panda. Pandas spend most of their day eating bamboo. Which tiny insect can recognize human faces? Bees can recognize human faces using patterns. Which mammal cannot jump? It's the elephant. Elephants can't jump at all because of their huge bodies and leg structure. Which animal sleeps only 30 minutes per day? Giraffes. Giraffes sleep only a few minutes at a time throughout the day. Look carefully. Can you spot the hidden animal? There it is, elephant. Which animal is famous for building dams and rivers? It's the beaver. Beavers build dams to create safe ponds for their homes. Which animal has the loudest roar? Lion. A lion's roar can be heard from several kilometers away. Which tiny animal can carry leaves 20 times its own weight? Amazing! Leafcutter ants can carry pieces much heavier than their own body. Which animal is the fastest on land? Cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest land animal on Earth. Which animal has the strongest memory? Elephants. Elephants have amazing memories and can remember places for many years. Can you solve the animal riddle? I sleep upside down, but I'm not a bird. Who am I? Bat! Bats sleep upside down so they can take off quickly when needed. Before you go, can you guess this mystery eye? Find out at the start of the next animal quiz.